What's up, all my investors? I'm back with another HINANCE video, and today we're talking about Elon selling $2 billion worth of Tesla stock. Man, you don't want to miss any of these details, so make sure you watch all the way towards the end of the video. I'm briefly going to state that we're trying to get the channel to 1K subs, and I need your support like you've always been supporting and watching. Thank you. Right? I have to show my appreciation for that. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down in the comment section below. Shout out to all my future millionaires. Put a money sign in the comments below. We're going to be talking about how to join the Discord chat as well at the end of the video. Now, Elon, man, he's a very bright, sneaky little rascal guy. He's like the guy that when you get him in a headlock, he always finds a way to get out. Like, damn, he got out again. Super smart guy, and he's manipulating. He's manipulating the people into thinking that they have some type of say. Now, that may confuse some of y'all and throw some of y'all off, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just too smart for this. So let's read his tweet real quick. Elon stated in a tweet on November 6, 2021, "Much is made lately of unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance. So I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? Yes or no?" Then he also followed up by saying, "I will abide by the results of this poll, whichever way it goes." Okay. All right. Very interesting details for you to share for us, Mr. Musk. But maybe you forgot that you had mentioned something. Maybe you forgot that let's read this other quote from Mr. Musk. "I have a bunch of options that are expiring early next year, so a huge block of options will sell in Q4 because I have to, or they will expire." He stated this at a conference. So, after doing a little bit more research, I found out that in August of 2022, he has options for 22 million shares, worth over $2.3 billion today, probably a little bit more than that. So, the fact that he's asking people for the poll, maybe he is going to honor it if people say not to sell it. I think I've seen the results. The most recent results I seen was everybody was telling him to sell. And I actually think it will be good for the Tesla stock if he does sell. Here's why, right? And I felt something coming, and this is why I took a little bit of profits. See, I've been learning from my mistakes, not taking profits. I took some profits last week. Of my Tesla stock. I still hold some Tesla share, but I took some profits just to, I deserved it. I invested in stock and the stock flipped a couple times. So I had to give myself a pat on the back, as you should always, right? That's part of doing your due diligence. You got to know when to sell, and then you can just buy back on a dip, which what I'm recommending, because I think Elon wants to let a bit of the air out of the balloon. I think it's pretty obvious Tesla is in a balloon, and he's just gonna do the favor for us. He's gonna ease it out. The stock prices is a future valuation, so at some point, this $22 billion worth of share, which could knock the price out by 30-40%, at some point that has to get priced into Tesla. Yeah. For sure. Even if because he may decide to change his mind and sell a month before. Who knows? This is his choice. Who cares about a poll? I'm sure he's for the people, but I'm sure he'll flip around and make up some excuses as to why he needed the 2-point-something billion, right? This is part of the game. My advice to everybody, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying this is what I'm planning on doing: buying the Tesla dip. Once this happens, and I'll be very wary of Tesla going forward up until these stocks get sold, for real, because that's a lot of money worth of Tesla stock. So we got to see where Tesla's going to be by that time frame, because once he sells that Tesla stock going down regardless. I don't know how y'all feel about Tesla stock. How y'all feel about this little finesse that Elon's trying to pull? Do you think it's fair? Or do you think it's like kind of like a little shady? I don't know. I don't know if I can call this completely fair, but hey, it's always up for debate if you want to talk about it in the comments section. I'm going to finish off by saying, if you're interested in joining the Discord chat, shoot me a DM above on my Instagram or Twitter. It's free. We're a group of investors looking to build generational wealth by sharing resources and having daily financial conversations. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Love. I'll see y'all.